right, Daddy Jack's going with the blues. So I was years ago we did a shrimp and chicken scampi, and we used cut the chicken into chunks. You could do that with the shrimp, but I'm gonna do a nice with just a cut medallion of chickens. So I don't want a lot of heat. I don't want a lot of heat in this dish. So salt, pepper. Nice 4 shrimp. That was the other side I didn't season yet, so we'll put a little bit. Be careful with the seasoning, won't too much on it. Everybody says, my fire's up too hot, but sometimes to sear it, you have to. But on this dish, we don't want a lot of color on it. Kind of let that flavor just stay kind of on the lighter side. Let it brown up just a little bit. We'll be right back. All right, so chicken got a little bit of color on it. So now I just flipped it over. Here's where we're gonna go in with the garlic. Huh? Right, Glenn?
You can never have enough garlic.
Tell you what. Not in a scampi anyway. Get both sides kind of coated in it. Oh yeah. A few tomatoes, a few diced. Again, it's all what you want to put in it. I like mine with little tomatoes and garlic. Let everything cook a little bit before we add our wine, lemon juice. Wow, huh, Glenn?
Oh, that was great.
How's she looking?
She looks great.
Wine, lemon juice. It is a lemon butter sauce, so a little bit more butter just to tighten it all together. Nice hot plate, right under the broiler. See how that butter tightens everything up? It right there. Quick, you want a little angel hair, or you on the keto diet or whatever. No, you don't want pasta. A little side of spinach. Let's give it a taste. You don't even need a knife with
Don't
this.
even need it.
Fork tender. A little bit of that flavor goes onto the chicken from the shrimp. A little surf and turf action here. That bad boy cooled down just a little bit. Put that on a special list, you'll sell 20 of them in a night. No problem. Need a little something though, even on a keto diet, a little crusty French bread and butter, something with that sauce. You gotta, too good to waste. Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues here in New London, Connecticut. Beautiful downtown. Deep water port, deepest water port on the East Coast, almost. Got any kind of ships come in here, cruise liners, military ships, submarines come out of here. We got Amtrak, got ferry boats. Now's our season coming up. Mystic, we got all the islands, you know, out to Long Island, Block Island, Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard. But Glenn Peltier, our camera, couldn't do it without you. We're hit the 10,000 figure today. 10,000 subscribers. Tell all your friends. We're going to close in on 20,000 quick, too. So, peace.